Welcome to English Podcast Academy. I'm so happy you're here. Maybe you're walking to work, listening with your headphones on, feeling the morning breeze on your face. Maybe you're sitting in your favorite chair, a warm cup of tea in your hands, enjoying a quiet moment before the day begins. Maybe you're lying on the couch after a long, tiring day, letting your mind relax as you listen. Wherever you are, however you're feeling, this moment is just for you. It's your time to grow, to breathe, and to believe in yourself. And today, I want you to remember something important. Learning English doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. You don't need to carry heavy grammar books everywhere you go. You don't have to spend hours memorizing endless lists of words you might never use. You just need your voice, the one that's already inside you, your heart, full of dreams and determination, and a few minutes each day to practice, even 5 minutes while waiting for the bus, 10 minutes while cooking dinner, or a few moments before you fall asleep can make a difference. Little by little, step by step, your English will grow. Trust the process, trust yourself, and enjoy every small victory along the way. Let's imagine a simple story together. Close your eyes for a second and picture it. There's a girl named Anna. Anna had a dream. She wanted to learn English, to travel, to meet new people, to feel confident when she spoke, but life wasn't easy. She worked all day at a busy office, answering phones, solving problems, and helping customers. By the time she got home, her body felt heavy with tiredness. Her eyes wanted to close the moment she sat down. She didn't have the energy to open big textbooks or study long grammar rules. Big lessons felt too far away, almost impossible. Still, Anna didn't give up. She made a small, powerful decision. Every evening, no matter how tired she felt, she picked up her phone, pressed play on a short English audio, and listened. Just one simple sentence at a time. One evening, she heard, "The sky is blue today." She smiled. She repeated it out loud, first in a whisper, as if telling a secret to herself. Then a little louder, with a bit more confidence. She said it again, while brushing her hair, while preparing dinner, while looking out the window at the real blue sky. That one small sentence stayed with her. It became a little light in her day. And without realizing it, day by day, Anna's English began to grow, just like a seed slowly turning into a beautiful tree. The next day, Anna heard a new sentence. "I am feeling happy today." It was a simple line, but it carried a feeling, a small piece of life. Once again, she listened carefully, letting the words settle into her mind. Then she repeated them, softly at first, like a gentle song only she could hear. No pressure, no tests, no fear of mistakes. Just her and her voice, connecting with the words in a quiet, personal way. Sometimes she repeated the sentence while making her morning coffee. Sometimes while tying her shoes. Little moments, little repetitions. After 7 days, something small but powerful happened, almost without her noticing. One evening, while talking to a neighbor, she found herself answering in English without needing to think so hard. The words didn't feel like strangers anymore. They felt like friends. Sentences came faster. Her tongue moved more easily. Confidence, once hidden and fragile, started growing inside her like a small flame catching the wind. It was a soft, steady light, getting stronger with every new word she welcomed into her life. It wasn't magic. It wasn't luck. It wasn't some special talent that only a few people have. It was something real, something anyone can build. The quiet, strong power of listening and repeating, day after day, moment after moment. And here's the most beautiful part. You can do the same. You have everything you need already inside you. All it takes is a little patience, a little courage, and the willingness to begin. even if it's just with one simple sentence today. Today, you don't need to worry about being perfect. Perfection is a heavy backpack, and you don't have to carry it. You don't need to remember every single word, every tiny grammar rule. You don't need to stress about getting everything right on the first try. You just need to do one simple thing. Listen and repeat. That's all. That's more than enough. Think of it like learning a song. At first, you hum a few words, maybe you miss a line or two, but the melody stays with you. And slowly, the words come naturally. Give your voice that same chance to move and grow. Let English live in your mouth, where words shape into sound. Let it live in your breath, where your voice carries meaning without fear. Let it live in your day, while you walk to the store, while you wash the dishes, while you watch the sky changing colors in the evening. Every small moment you practice is a small victory. Every soft whisper, every brave repetition, is a step closer to making English feel like a part of you. Maybe today, you say just one sentence. Maybe tomorrow, you feel a little braver and say two. Maybe the day after that, 3 sentences slip from your mouth a little more easily, like water finding its way through stones. It grows, almost like a quiet song getting louder with each new verse. It builds, layer by layer, like a wall made of small but strong bricks. You don't notice the change right away, and that's okay. Real growth is often invisible at first, like seeds sprouting under the soil. But after 7 days, just 7 simple days of listening and speaking, you'll feel it. Maybe when you order your coffee, you'll find yourself saying a full sentence without hesitation. Maybe when you hear a song in English, you'll catch a few words without even trying. It's a small shift, almost like the first soft breeze before a new season begins. But that small change is powerful. It's the beginning of something bigger than you can imagine. It's the moment when English stops feeling like a distant goal and starts feeling like a part of your everyday life. So today, let's say it together, slowly and with heart. I can learn English. Say it once, gently. Repeat it again, a little louder. Feel the words rising from your chest, carried by your breath. Believe in them, even if your voice shakes a little. These simple words are seeds, and today, you are planting them inside yourself. Every time you say them, they take root a little deeper. If this story brought a small smile to your face, if it made you feel a little lighter or a little more hopeful, then like the video to let us know. Leave a comment saying, "I'm starting today," because today truly is a perfect day to begin. And if you want to keep walking with us on this peaceful English journey, one step at a time, one word at a time, don't forget to subscribe. There's so much more waiting for you, and you won't have to walk alone. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep your voice soft like a morning breeze, your heart strong like the roots of an old tree, and your English growing gently, patiently, beautifully, just like you.